Welcome to TutorialsArena's Data Science and Artificial Intelligence quiz series. Let's get started. What will globals function return? The correct option is option B, global scope variables as a dict. Globals function returns a dictionary of the current global symbol table. What is the primary use of enumerate function? The correct option is option B, return index and value in a loop. Enumerate function returns both the index and the element. What happens if a function calls itself? The correct option is option C, recursion. A function calling itself is recursion, often used to solve problems that can be broken into subproblems. Which function returns the length of a list? The correct option is option B, len. The len function returns the number of elements in a list, tuple, or other iterable. What will lambda expression return when called with for? The correct option is option B, 16. A lambda is an anonymous function. Here, it squares the input, so 4 squared is 16. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next tutorial.